Hello, welcome back to the channel. I had a couple questions about the Pulsar that I put on as far as how it goes in there. So I was just going to do a quick video on how that goes in. So up here under the hood, so let's see if we get back a little bit. The kit comes with an extra bolt here so that you could just bolt it here instead of using the standard mount. So normally this is rotated straight, so it's like sitting level. So what you can do, or what the instructions show, is you're going to use this bolt here, and then you're going to mount the bottom bolt of the computer to the top mount of the old, of the old setup. So then this one just sticks up, it's floating up above. So, but it's solid. It ain't going nowhere. So yeah. So basically, you just unplug out of this PCM, press this on and push it on real tight, and then you put your connectors back on. That's about it. I don't know, any other questions, you can go ahead, feel free to ask, but not much to it. And what I did is just saved the old bolts in a bag in the glove box. But that's all there is to it. And yeah, like I said, if there's any other questions, feel free to ask. If there's anything else you want me to do with that, as far as testing wise, I can do that too. But I think I pretty much explained it all in the other video. So until next time, have a good day.